I finally got my hands on the latest TISO PRX Powermatic 80 Forged Carbon. It comes in the simple 40mm forged carbon case, which is the most exciting part of this watch. The innovative material makes this piece unique, lightweight, and durability. Under $1,000 retail, it is designed for optimal performance in demanding conditions, empowering ambitious individuals to push their limits. In the beautiful box, you will find the watch tag, extra links, warranty booklet, and owner's manual. Combining beauty and quality, the Sapphire Crystal, a known exceptional scratch resistant and hardness second only to diamond, ensures clarity and durability. The automatic movement delivers an impressive power reserve lasting up to 80 hours. This is a fantastic watch and my in-depth review is coming soon.